Many of our people insisted me to make a computer interfaced radionics and should be able to automatically diagnose, automatically detect the energy in the different chakras or energy deficiency or a different dowsing should be done through a computer so that we can work unbiased. So regarding that, I'll give you detailed demo later. Just I'll show you small demo. So now I selected the boric materia medica and just I wanted to, we can keep the sample here in the in-well. So now let me, this is working under now the manual mode. I just switch into digital mode. Now here the light will come on near the output and this light goes off. That means this is ready for, no, it's connected computer, connected to the computer. Now we can analyze by just typing name, any random name you can take. Okay, just we can say again once press a clear button. When press the clear button, you will find UV lights inside this glows and clears any residual energy inside this. Now everything is clear. Now again let me type any random name. Okay, and now I already selected the boric materia medica and just by after focusing, let me press the analyze. When you press the analyze, you'll find a lot of medicine come one after the other. 10th, this capsicum is on the superheat. 10 times it is repeated. So we can, when you see that vitality check, everything is automatic here. See here in the maximum, wherever you got a hit, it will show you that maximum number is 956. 956 is the maximum. So Castanea vesca is a remedy. We can go through that through materia medica and we can generate those things in this machine. Now it's connected. So just you have to press the what medicine you want to create, click it here. Now you remove the excessive spaces so that you can save time, and what potency you want, let me select for 30 potency, 30, and now you have to press broadcast. When you press broadcast, you will find series of lights. That medicine is converted into a codes. That code will trigger different type of LEDs assigned. So it will, we have to keep a bottle here inside to produce the digitally designed, digitally programmed. You have already programmed. You have you have analyzed what remedy to be given, and also you made that particular remedy in an energetic form. So here is the beauty is that including, so if we have this number and we can see in our materia medica, numerical materia medica, what it is showing. Similarly, we can set these numbers accordingly. You can, after setting this number, it will produce in two ways. It will also produce in analog and also it will produce in the digital. So this is a trump Trump like things. So I have done my maximum effort to give the best product. So thank you for watching.